Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram account. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your browser. And here, as you can see, if someone takes a screenshot of the photo or a video, you will see a small circle just next to it to indicate that screenshot has been taken. So basically, if you want to know if someone actually took a screenshot at your photo or video, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to right here to go to the chat, and basically you're gonna be able to see that you send a photo screenshot taken. So it's like Snapchat, they will notify you on the messages that someone actually took a screenshot right here. As an example, took a screenshot of your photo that you sent. But before you do it, just go ahead into your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. So probably if you faced a problem that you're not seeing that there has been a screenshot, there has been a screenshot taken, you need to double check, if your Instagram is fully updated so you can get all the new features. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.